Hi everybody, I'm Ary Assadi with Eichler Model and Eichler For Sale. Today we're going to look at one of the most iconic and sought after designs of Northern California architecture, the double A-frame Eichler. Let's take a look around and see what makes these homes so special. Built primarily in the early to mid-1960s, these double A-frame Eichlers stand out among Joseph Eichler's many innovative designs. Most were crafted by two of his go-to architectural firms, Anshin and Allen and Jones and Emmons, who helped bring Eichler's vision of modern indoor-outdoor living to life. What sets the double A-frame apart from other Eichler models like the classic atrium plan? First, the dramatic soaring ceilings, thanks to two striking A-frame rooflines that create incredible volume and openness throughout the home. One of the most iconic and personally my favorite feature of any Eichler home is the open-air atrium. It really brings a sense of design to the home. Not only is it a courtyard, but it's a central gathering place. It lets in sunlight, fresh air, and most importantly, it's the heart and soul of the home. And in a home like this, the experience is taken even one step further with a fully retractable atrium cover. Automated so you can enjoy the sunny days or at the push of a button and close it when the weather shifts. It's a beautiful way of blending mid-century architecture with modern convenience. These homes often feature a grand, light-filled atrium at the center, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces, an Eichler signature, but even more dramatic here with the vertical height of the A-frames. If you'd like to learn more about these incredible homes or find out when a double A-frame becomes available, please feel free to reach out. Again, I'm Ary Assadi with Bay Area Modern and Eichler For Sale. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.